It was a bright, sunny morning at the small village school. Birds chirped in the trees, the bell rang, and all the children ran joyfully into their classrooms. Rafi, a smart 10-year-old boy, sat with his two best friends, Mithu and Rimi, always ready for something exciting. Their teacher, Mrs. Mira, entered the classroom with a big smile. "Today," he said, "we're going to clean the school garden and plant new trees." All the kids shouted together, "Yay, we'll plant trees!" The teacher divided them into two groups, Rafi, Rimi, and Mithu in one team, and Rabi, Sumi, and Hassan in the other. Rafi's job was to dig the holes. Rimi would bring water, and Mithu would fill the soil. Everyone got to work, full of energy and laughter. Rafi was digging hard, sweat dripping down his face, but still smiling. Rimi ran to fetch water in a small clay pot. But suddenly, she slipped on the wet ground and the water splashed all over Rafi. Everyone burst into laughter. Even Rafi laughed, saying, "Looks like I'm watering myself instead of the tree." Meanwhile, Mithu brought a small sapling, but oops, he planted it upside down. Rafi shouted, "Hey, Mithu, trees don't grow that way." Mithu scratched his head and said, "Oh, I thought it was a new technique." The whole class laughed again. Even the teacher couldn't stop smiling. Mrs. Mira said kindly, "Mistakes are not bad, children. What matters is learning from them." They all worked together to fix the sapling, covered it with soil, poured water properly, and planted flowers around it. Soon, the school garden looked colorful and alive. Suddenly, clouds gathered in the sky. It started to rain softly. The kids danced in the rain, singing, "Let's plant trees, make our world green." Mrs. Mira watched proudly and said, "Love nature, plant trees, because trees give us life." Rafi looked at the new sapling and said with a smile, "When we work together, the world becomes more beautiful." Everyone clapped and laughed as the rain poured down. It became one of the happiest days in Rafi's school life. Moral of the story: teamwork, kindness, and caring for nature make life beautiful. Mistakes are how we learn and grow.